What's up guys, Glenn here back on the Function Powersports YouTube. Today we got something new for you guys. We're going to walk you through how to detail your UTV with our very own Karbon off-road cleaning products. So we'll just give a quick run through of this lineup of the products we do have on functionpowersports.com. And obviously if you guys enjoy watching all kinds of ATV and UTV content, make sure to click that subscribe button below so you don't miss out on our content we put out every single week. So running through the Karbon off-road products here, we have the Karbon heavy duty degreaser right here in this first bottle. And then we got our Karbon high foaming mud wash in the second bottle here. Then we got our Karbon rubber and vinyl protectant spray. And then lastly, when you're all finished with cleaning it, we got our Karbon Showtime detail spray. So this is our product lineup. Basically, we're gonna run you through how we're gonna clean this filthy Polaris Ranger behind us. It's a brand new 2022 Polaris Ranger North Star 1000. And basically it's all salt covered. There's all sorts of dirt and road grime on it because the owner of this machine, Zach, he takes us out ice fishing. So, you know, it's not necessarily muddy today, but it's got salt and road grime. So we're gonna show you how the degreaser works, and then we'll use the mud wash to clean it up real nice, and then we'll go through the final detailing stages. So let's get to it. So we're gonna start out with just spraying the machine down basically, spray it down with the warm water, and then we'll start hitting it with the degreaser. So let's get to it. So we're gonna start by really breaking down all of the dirt grime, the salt on this machine with our heavy duty degreaser. And we're gonna spray it through one of our foam cannons to speed up the process a little bit. Otherwise, using this product with a spray bottle can work great as well. Then, you know, let it soak on the machine just for a little bit, then spray it off again with some water. So we got our degreaser mixed in with some water there. That way the degreaser solution is mixed in. You don't want to just go straight degreaser. I mean, you could, but you're gonna want to spray it off right away. So we'll get to spraying this down. So basically with the degreaser, you're gonna wanna let that sit on the machine just for maybe like a minute or so. It's kind of a little trick to let that really just do its job to break apart the salt, dirt, mud, whatever's on that machine. That's gonna really help you out with the cleaning stage, especially if your machine is extremely filthy or you let things dry on it. Then we're gonna just hit it with some water again, clean that off, and then we'll go right into the mud wash. So we got the degreaser all sprayed down. The machine's already looking pretty clean. Now we're gonna hit it with the mud wash. We're gonna throw that soap solution into the foam cannon. We'll add a little bit of water so it mixes in good, and we'll spray down the whole machine again. So as you can see, a little bit of that mud wash soap goes a long ways, especially when you add water. We're gonna start spraying down the machine with that. All right, so we got the machine washed with the mud wash, high foam spray with the cannon. The machine cleaned up super nice. We sprayed it down with water again. And now we're gonna leave the machine wet. That way we save a little time here on this detail video, but we're gonna hit it with the detail spray. So basically we're gonna apply this to all of the painted surfaces on the machine. So where you see the white paint, we're gonna spray down all those parts like the headlight cover lens. And then all of the black plastic on this machine will get hit with our rubber and vinyl protectant spray. So it's gonna shine up the black plastic, the tires, and the machine should look like brand new when we're done. So now now we're just taking our microfiber towels here. You always want to use microfibers when cleaning the machines. It'll be safe with the paint on it. This detail spray really shines everything up. So like, even with the mud wash and degreaser, until you wipe it down, you know, the machine's gonna have a couple spots left on it. So this is kind of like the final step to do there. So lastly, we're gonna finish off wiping down this machine with the Karbon rubber and vinyl protectant spray. This is gonna shine up the tires. It's gonna shine up all of the black plastic and black painted parts. So this will be the trick to finishing cleaning this thing up. So when using the protectant and vinyl Karbon spray here, basically on the tires, you want to let it soak just for maybe a minute or so. Let it dry just a little bit, and then instead of just wiping it right down, what you're going to do is you take your microfiber and you're just going to kind of tap around the sidewall of the tire. And what this is going to do is it's going to allow that basically tire shine to do the ultimate thing of actually holding up on your machine's tires, so it stays shiny, stays looking clean. Otherwise, if you just start scrubbing it down or if you spray it down, it's gonna just go right back to, you know, the normal tire look that any other tire shine would do. So the trick is just kind of dabbing the microfibers to it. So just like that, you got a brand new looking clean machine sitting behind us. When you use all of the Karbon products, take the time to wipe it down a bit, use the sprays, and you're gonna get really good results. So we just wanna give you guys a rundown of our very own Karbon off-road cleaning products that you can find at functionpowersports.com. And if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to give it a like, comment down below what you think of our products, or you know, the results that we got with the machine that clearly came in very dirty with the salt grime, all that road stuff, and now it looks spotless. So leave a comment down below, make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.